Welcome to our latest video on luxury skincare products. In this video, you will see one of the best luxury skincare factory processes, from raw ingredients to the final premium cream, made with care, precision, and high-quality standards. If you love clean, elegant, and satisfying factory videos, you will definitely enjoy this one. Please subscribe to our channel for more amazing luxury product process videos like this. Also, comment and tell us which country you are watching from. We would love to know where our viewers are from. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy luxury manufacturing content. Watch the video until the end, because you will get good knowledge about how premium skincare products are made step by step. Stay with us for more exciting videos, and in our next video we will bring you another interesting luxury product process that you will surely enjoy.
Expiration date is 2025 Q3.
Noted. Updating the system now.
Lot number 45B, shea butter, 2.5 kilograms. Inventory updated to location A-3.
The machine ensures every cube is perfectly uniform, maintaining our high-quality standards. The viscosity is increasing steadily, approaching optimal temperature now.
The temperature is holding steady. We are reaching the optimal consistency now.
Align the chamber lid and secure the seal. Activating the vacuum pump slowly until the bubbles subside.
Seal engaged. Starting the vacuum pump. We should see the bubbles dissipate within the minute.
Cycle complete. Mixture achieves uniform consistency. Data logged.
Maintaining precise control over the settings. The mixture is evenly distributed, and the shape is forming correctly.
Temperature holding steady at 45.5 degrees. The consistency is perfect.
Consistency is improving. The hardening rate is slightly below the threshold, adjusting now. The final pass is complete. Let's inspect the surface finish. The cutting path is optimized. Initializing the precision sequence now, ensuring a smooth finish.
The CNC machine ensures a flawless finish, maintaining the tightest tolerances required for the nozzle's function.
The mixing tank is secured. No imperfections visible on the surface.
Ensure the nozzle is correctly aligned with the mixing chamber. Check for any surface imperfections before proceeding.